today's my topic is build confidence and destroy fear. Everyone faces fear, right? मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे जितने लोग हो सबने फेस किया होगा. Everyone has time of low self confidence. But it is not fear itself that is the problem, but how we react when we faced with. For some people, the fear is motivating, but others is creates a state of complete paralysis. But the good news is each person who is confident person was not just born that way. They worked hard to get there. And this is great news because it means anyone who wants to be confident can be. So today I will tell you a few points. So how do we cure fear and win confidence? The first thing is action cures fear. So first figure out what is your fear exactly. So isolate it and take action on it. So there is a proper action for every fear. So let's take an example. One of the greatest fear for most people in the fear of public speaking. Even me also, this is the biggest fear. But no matter how afraid of public speaking for anyone, if that person regularly stand up and speak to a group, eventually the person will lose their fear of speaking and become good at it. We have so many examples, like abhi suddenly Vineet ne example diya Dheeraj ka. So simple things, so just we have to come and speak. So if you want to overcome a fear, put yourself in a situation where you are faced with the fearful event again and again. So doing things like this happen, you overcome it. And the next point is put only positive thoughts into the bank of your mind. Let the negative thing go. So now let me tell you how our brain works to cure fear and win confidence. So your mind is like a bank. You deposit money in a bank, just like that you deposit thoughts in your mind. If you deposit negative thoughts like I can't do this, I don't have the money for that, I don't smart. So these are the only thoughts if you have, then this will take over your mind. And then what happened? So anytime then there is a problem you have, you use your mind to think how to solve it. And if your entire mind has it is negative thoughts, that is all you will get out of it, and your problem will never be solved. So that will just continue to get bigger and bigger. So you have to do simple two things to build confidence is through efficient management of your memory bank. So just deposit only positive thoughts in your memory bank and withdraw only positive thoughts from your memory bank. And then next point is have a proper perspective of other people's. So actually, if we see, we are all basically the same. We have in different shapes, size, age, but we all are same. So what problem comes with me also, same problem comes with you also. So it's just like कि सबको same problem आती है. So we have to work on same things. Like same problem needs and same desire everyone. So just have a proper perspective of every people's. And then last thing is to think confidently, act confidently, because always remember emotions are the precursors of emotions. So without self-confidence, we make poor decisions. So self-confidence is not absence of fear, but mastery of fear. So I know life is full of challenges, and there are times when it's difficult to keep our self-confidence up. So just we have to do few things. Sit down right now and make a list of all the things in your life that you are thankful for, and another list of all the things you are proud of accomplishing. So once your list are completed, just go and post that and put that on your refrigerator and on the wall. So somewhere where you can easily be reminded of what an amazing life you have and what an amazing person you are really are. So that will help you to overcome the fears. So with this, I'm done. Thank you so much.
Wow, awesome.